POV. You're the original Valentine until a new kitten arrives. Our jealous cat spots the tiny intruder snuggling up for attention and cue the drama. First, there's the slow blink of betrayal, then a dramatic tail flick, and finally, the classic move, squeezing between you and the kitten like a true cuddle champion. Jealousy in cats is totally normal. They form strong bonds and can get protective when their favorite human spreads the love. It's not just drama, it's pure affection in disguise. Cozy chaos, guaranteed.